Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our last lesson of English Bal Bharti Standard 1, Unit number 8, Lesson number 4, Crossword. So look and solve the crossword puzzle. Number 1, you can see the picture of tree. So we will write here tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Number 2 is rose. So we will write here rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Number 3 is crow. So we will write here crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Number 4 is flower. So we will write here flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Number 5 is rainbow. So we will write here rainbow, R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Number 6 is moon. So we will write here M-O-O-N, moon. Number 7 is mango. And the answer of this puzzle is given here mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Number 8 is boat. So we will write here boat, B-O-A-T, boat. Number 9 is car. So we will write here car, C-A-R, car. So dear students, watch the video carefully, understand the lesson and complete the crossword puzzle.